It is 4:32 p.m. Tuesday afternoon, September 12th, 2023. We're at Chama, New Mexico on the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad, originally the Denver and Rio Grande narrow gauge railroad. And the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad train is about to arrive from Antonito, the other end of the line, 65 miles east. He's got a K36-282 number 484, built in 1925 by Baldwin Locomotive Works at Eddystone, Pennsylvania. One of 10 K36s built for the Denver and Rio Grande Western. This hasn't changed a bit since I was here in 1967 to photograph and chase the Denver and Rio Grande narrow gauge freights. Denver and Rio Grande Railroad's freight service ended in 1968. I was here also in 1968. They were running, still running freight trains between Alamosa, Colorado, Chama, on west of Durango, south to Farmington, New Mexico. Chama is 7,781 feet above sea level. Population of 1,022, just east of the water tank in the distance is the Rio Chama River, a tributary of the Rio Grande River. Everything is still here like 1967 and 68. The coaling tower you see in the distance, the water tank, the engine house you see in the distance. I'll be riding the train tomorrow from Chama here to Antonito, Colorado, and riding back the entire length the day after tomorrow, staying at the Station Inn just across the street. I'm taking this from the waiting room of the Chama station. The last passenger train through here was the San Juan Express, which ended in 1951. It's been pouring rain. Looks like it's lightening up a little bit. Let's have a quick look in the station here. Here's the dispatcher in his office. Ticket agent. Smile for YouTube. K36 number 484, built in 1925 for the Denver and Rio Grande Western by the Baldwin Locomotive Works, Eddystone, Pennsylvania. 282, one of 10 K36s. Thank goodness the rain is lightening up a little bit. A little bit wet, isn't it?
It's a little bit.
Trouble in River City. Be okay to take a video here in the gift shop for my YouTube channel? Thank you. Give you some publicity, right? This is a gift shop at Chama, Cumbres and Toltec Scenic. Fully equipped gift shop.
Oh, good. Come here.
Next building.
Excuse me.
I did. Yeah, of course. No, come on in.
Oh, I said Chama's 7871 feet above sea level. The sign says 7863. And you can ride the train in one direction and bus the other direction. There's a bus to go in the other direction. And there's a wee bit of water around here. Looks like maybe some water got on one of my lenses. And a speeder follows every train in case of fire. And there's the coaling tower and water tower in the distance. And there is a General Electric, I think it's about a 45 tonner used for switching here. And it's brightening up. And it's now 4:45 p.m. Tuesday afternoon, September 12th, 2023 on the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad in Chama, New Mexico. When it was the Rio Grande, went another 100 miles or so west of Durango. That part unfortunately is abandoned. And also the 50 miles south of Farmington, New Mexico, but the Durango-Silverton line is still running as the Durango-Silverton Railroad. Again, over and out.